raindrops falling from the sky. Elsa Monkey doesn't cry. She just starts her little dance, spinning in the drizzle trance. Trance, silent trance, thought trance. Puddles splash beneath her feet. Rainy days can be so sweet. Clapping hands and jumping high, laughing